The Fountain Paint Pots Trail is located in Yellowstone National Park and is part of the Lower Geyser Basin.
Hi, I'm Alexandra.
And I'm Evan.
And we are within hiking distance. Today we are exploring the Fountain Paint Pots in Yellowstone National Park.
We hiked the trail in the early morning of August. There was still plenty of steam coming off the hydrothermal features at the time. This trail is along a boardwalk and is a half-mile loop. Allow 15 to 20 minutes to complete the trail. This trail includes the 4 hydrothermal features found in Yellowstone. They are mudpots, geysers, hot springs, and fumaroles. This is Silex Spring. It is a small pool of superheated water that is rimmed with white silica. Next, we came across the fountain paint pots and were able to view the bubbling mud. This is red spouter that originated in 1959 with the Hebgen Lake earthquake. Due to the weather changing throughout the year, it can act like a fumarole, hot spring, or mud pot. The geysers along the boardwalk frequently erupt, so you're bound to catch a few along the way. It was difficult to see through the steam, but it looked like Fountain Geyser was erupting when we were there. This geyser shoots up 10 to 50 feet in the air and lasts for 20 minutes. The rest of the trail was a quick walk back to the loop intersection and then back to the parking lot.